Good day students, welcome back to our maths class. The topic for today is addition of two-digit numbers, that is without carryover and with carryover. So let us now begin with the topic. So here, as we know, we have two columns, that is tens and ones. So we need to always add the ones column first and then the tens column. Remember students, the order to add does not matter. Example, we have here two examples. We have number 35 plus 21. So we have the answer as, we have to add the ones column first, correct? So 5 plus 1 is 6, 3 plus 2 is 5, correct? So we got the answer as 56. Now same way, here we have number 21 plus number 35. So 21 is smaller than 35. So let us try out adding these two. 1 plus 5 is 6, correct? 2 plus 3 is 5. Yes, so both the numbers here, in both the conditions we have the same numbers, but only the order is different. Here we have the greater number first and then the smaller number, and here we have the smaller number first and then the greater number, but the answers are the same. So we get the answers as 56 for both. Let us try to solve some more. Here we have 45 plus 20. Yes, so we need to add the ones column first. So 5 plus 0 is equal to, come on students, answer. 5 plus 0 is equal to 5, correct. Then next, moving on to the tens column, we have 4 plus 2, that is equal to, yes, 6. So we got the answer as 65. 5 ones and 6 tens. Now next one, 7 plus 2. 7 count forward to 8, 9. So we have 9 ones. Next, 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. So we got the answer as 99. That is 0, 9 ones and 9 tens. Next we have 34 plus 34. So we'll add the ones column. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Very good. Next, 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. So we got the answer as 68. Next we have 60 plus 20. 0 plus 0 is equal to 1. No. 0. Correct. Next, 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Very good. Students, now we have three numbers addition. We have to follow the same instructions as we had done for two number addition. Here we go to the ones column now. 0 we have 2 and 2 again. So 0 plus 2 plus 2. So 0 has no value, correct? So we need to add the other 2. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Next, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Next one, 3 plus 0 plus 5. Now 0 is not considered, correct? So 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Next, 4 plus 3 is equal to, come on, yes, 7. Next, 5 plus 3 plus 0. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Next, 4 plus 2 plus 1. So 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Plus 1, 7. Now let us learn addition with carryover, or it can be also called as regrouping. Now here we have two numbers to add. Yes, so we know that this is ones and this is tens, and we also know that we need to first add the ones column and then the tens column. Yes, and we have also ones house here and tens house here. Okay, so Now can you all tell me the answer for 7 plus 7? Yes, now children try to guess the answer. 7, now you all can count forward 7 times. 7, continue counting. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So what is the answer? 14. Correct? But this is a 2 number digit, right? Correct? 2 digit number. So will it fit here? No. So now that is why we call it as carryover addition. So 4 will go in 1's place and 1 will go in 10's place. Correct? Now here while adding, we need to write the 4 in 1's place and 1 will be carried over. Correct? We will not write anywhere else but on top of the first number. Okay? So we'll add now the 10's column. So 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Correct? Now don't forget to add the carryover number, that is 1. So 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Now 6 plus 1 is equal to, come on. Yes, 7. So we got the answer as 74. We have another sum, 1's and 10's column. We need to add the 1's column first and the 10's column. So let us start now. 7 plus 5. Now 7 and count forward 5. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So what is the answer? 12. Correct? Now 2 is on the right hand side, 1 is on the left hand side. So 2 will go in 1's column. Yes, and 1 will go in 10's column. Correct? So 2 will come here, 1 will be carried over. Yes, now we'll add the 10's column, that is 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Now don't forget to add the carryover number, that is 1. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 1 is 7. So we get the answer as 7. 3 more sums to do. First one, 38, 33 plus 58. So we'll add the 1's column, 3 plus 8. Now 3, this is a smaller number, this is a bigger number, correct? Now you can, while adding, you can take the greater number and then add the smaller number. Yes? So 8 plus 3 is how much? 8, count forward 3, 9, 10, 11. So here we have got 11. So 1 will go here, correct? 1 and 1 will be carried over. Yes, now moving on to the 10's column, we have 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Now the carryover is 1. So 8 plus 1 is 9. So the answer is 91. Next, 59 plus 34. 9 plus 4. Now 9, count forward 4. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we have here answer as 13. But 3 will be in 1's column. 1 will be carried over. Correct? 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So we get the answer as 93. Next, 48 plus 17. 8 plus 7 is, come on, tell me, 8, count forward 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15, correct? We get here answer as 15, but 5 will go in 1's place and 1 will be carried over, correct? So 4 plus 1 is equal to 5, 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So we get the answer as 65. Moving on to the story sums, we have the first one here. In a farm, there are 24 cows and 38 buffaloes. How many cattle are there in the farm? So how many cows are there? 24. How many buffaloes? 38. So they are asking how many cattle altogether are there. Correct? So we have here 24 plus 38. So we'll add the 1's column first. So 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. correct? So 2 will go here and 1 will be carried over, correct? Next 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Now don't forget to add the carryover. So 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So the answer is 62. So how many cattle are there in the farm altogether? 62. The second story sum says that a fruit seller has 44 apples and 37 bananas. How many fruits does he have in all? So they are asking the total number, correct? So we have here apples as 44 and bananas as 37. Now 4 plus 7. Count forward. 7 plus 4, 8, 9, 10, 11. Correct? So we'll write here 11. 1 will be carried over. Next 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. So the answer is 81. So how many total fruits are there? 81 fruits altogether. Students, I hope you all have understood the concept of addition, that is with carryover and without carryover. Keep practicing and be safe.